Hi, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Wesley Chapel and we've started this 3-car garage with baseboards. So as you can see, our prep is well underway. One of our biggest concerns is going to be this lead-in edge. This is really rough and there's some bad repairs that have been done here along the lead-in edge. So we are going to fix all that. We're going to grind it, we're going to square it up, face it off, we're going to remove those weak repairs, and then we're going to round it over. So right now we're on our second pass with the floor grinder, and we're getting down to aggregate. We're removing that cap. You can see the progress here. We're removing a lot of material. We're getting rid of all the weak cap and just getting back down to ag. You can see some ag in this frame here. And Lauren is working on the baseboards. Here's our finished project. This is a 3-car with baseboards. We're in Wesley Chapel. As you saw in the previous segment, there was a lot of prep that went into this garage. We ground the floor, we removed the cure and seal, then we cut the cap off and got down to aggregate, just bare concrete that gives us a good profile for our epoxy application. We sand it and filled the control joints, and that gives us this seamless surface. We do that as a matter of process because we feel it gives a nicer looking floor in the end. Now the baseboards on all jobs are optional, but we do recommend them because again, that's just another addition to the floor and it just gives it a much more finished installed look, and you can see how nice they look here. Baseboards really look good. Really tied the job together. Here are some details around the fixture. And the lead-in edge required a lot of work, so we did square that off, round it over. We removed that weak patch material with an epoxy compound and reshaped it over. It's the most vulnerable part of your garage, and that has to be done just right. You can see how clean it looks now. Very nice edge in both bays. This color blend is Domino. Just some more details with the baseboard, how that ties everything together. And that edge is looking good now. This is a polyaspartic top coat. Polyaspartic is very durable and UV stable. Just some more details. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.